Welcome back to Sinampalukang TV. Today, we're cooking Tamarind Chicken Soup, a classic Filipino tamarind chicken soup that's both comforting and restorative. This dish is packed with zesty tamarind, fresh young leaves, ginger, and garlic, creating a vibrant, aromatic broth that warms the soul. Perfect for rainy days, for the family, or anyone recovering from illness, this soup is a true taste of Central Luzon heritage. Get your ladles ready, let's make this healing Filipino soup together. Ingredients: 1 cup unripe tamarind pods, 1 cup fresh young tamarind leaves, 2 tablespoons cooking oil for sauteing, 1 thumb-sized ginger, sliced, 1 medium onion, chopped, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 large tomatoes, chopped, 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, whole chicken, cut into serving pieces, 8 cups water, or rice washing for extra body, divided, a bunch of string beans, 1 medium radish, peeled and sliced, 2 long green chilies, 1 bunch water spinach, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. Procedure: boil the fresh tamarind pods in 2 cups of water until soft and the skins begin to burst. Mash the pods in a strainer over a bowl to extract the pulp. Discard the seeds and skins, then set the juice aside. Strip the young tamarind leaves from any woody stems. Place the leaves in a mortar and pestle and lightly pound/bruise them until they are crushed and release a fragrant, tart aroma. Alternatively, mince them finely on a chopping board. Set aside. Heat oil in a large pot. Sauté the ginger first until fragrant. Then add the onions and garlic until translucent. Add the tomatoes and cook until softened and mashed. Add the chicken pieces. Cook until the meat turns light brown and the fat begins to render. Pour in the remaining 6 cups of water and the tamarind pod juice. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat. Simmer for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Add the string beans and radish. Once nearly tender, add the pounded/bruised young tamarind leaves, green chilies. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And add water spinach. Simmer for another 2 to 5 minutes. Serve hot with steamed rice. And there you have it, your tamarind chicken soup is ready to serve. Tender chicken, tangy tamarind, and fragrant vegetables in every spoonful. If you enjoyed this recipe, like this video. Comment your favorite vegetable to add in your tamarind chicken soup. Subscribe to Sinampalukang TV and hit the notification bell for more authentic Filipino recipes. Share this with friends and family, and bring a warm Filipino taste of home to everyone's table.